What's good, everyone? Today we're unboxing one of the most limited Air Jordan 1s of the year. Welcome back to Tamster's Kicks, everyone. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, like I said, we have one of the most crazy Air Jordan 1 releases of the year. One of the most hype as well. People have been waiting all year. We do have the Air Jordan 1 J Balvin hit on this in my own size. We're going to be unboxing this today. Going to go through the history of the shoe, J Balvin, going to go with materials, show some nice B-roll for you guys, and then let you know my resale predictions and what I think this shoe is going to do, because I think it's actually gonna do some crazy numbers. That'll be at the end though. First, we're gonna get into the shoe. Let's go. So to start off, for those of you who don't know, J Balvin is a Colombian reggaeton artist. He makes some actually pretty sick music. I love reggaeton, so he's actually one of my favorite artists, and he makes way sweet music. He is actually the first Latino artist that Jordan Brand is collabing with on a shoe. So this is the first of its kind. This was first seen actually at the Super Bowl back in this last one in 2020. Came on the stage with Jennifer Lopez, I think. But he came on and performed, and everyone saw these shoes. I think a lot of people actually thought that they were gonna shock drop on like the sneakers app or something, because a lot of people thought that they were just gonna come out then. But 10 months later, J Balvin finally releases on December 8th on the sneakers app in a couple of Tire Zero shops. Stock was dumb limited. Honestly, don't know how I hit, but you know, Tamster's Kicks, we come in clutch here, so I'm gonna go through this today for you guys. Taking a look at the box first, this lid right here, you can see the different rainbow aesthetic on it, and I think primarily this has to do with the actual upper of the shoe, and then along the sides you can see the Nike as well. It looks white at first, but it definitely, I think it's pink, kind of like the outsole as well. So it gives the same vibes definitely as the shoe. As we go into the shoe on the wrapping, you can see the different logos on the wrapping. You can see the basketball, the lightning bolt, the Jordan, and then also the smiley face is J Balvin's actual logo. And so they have all those, and all those four are actually the four patches that come on the shoe. I'll show you guys right here. Now, if you guys don't think these shoes are crazy, first glance, I was kind of not sure how I felt about these because of how different and out there they are. As you can see, they hooked it up with tons of laces, patches, but they are super different. This shoe, the Air Jordan 1 J Balvin, actually has inspiration from his two most recent albums, Colores and Vibras, and both of those draw a lot of inspiration to the shoe. He also wanted to make a shoe that's like his personality. He says his personality is really out there, and he also wanted to like kind of revolutionize the Air Jordan 1, kind of make something super different that's never been done before. And you can tell there's definitely something different about this one. The material on the shoe is a printed canvas, because obviously that's kind of the only way they could get this crazy design on the shoe. It's not like another Air Jordan 1 where it's more of a simple color blocking. You can do the different leathers on there, kind of the buttery soft leather, but this is different because you have to get that crazy rainbow tie-dye design. They do have that screen printed canvas. Very nice though. In here on the collar, it's actually really nice, feels great on the foot. I put them on. Tongue, as you can tell, is that foam material as well. And there's a lot of different cutouts on the shoe. You can see the different cutouts along the toe. It goes up around the eyelets as well, around the Air Jordan logo as well, goes around the heel collar, all on the back heel as well. Just a super different design that J Balvin decided to go with on the sneaker. And I love that he didn't do something like traditional, something like simple color blocking or anything, but that he actually kind of did something crazy. Breaking down more of the concepts of the shoe, the different rainbow tie-dye theme he's got going on here actually stems from where he thinks kind of his energy and creativity comes from. This red is kind of like the center, and everything else just kind of comes from that. As you can see, it fades from red to yellow to green, goes out into blue along the heel, and then also you can see it goes out to blue along the toe. And then for the patches, you can see that there's a couple different ones. I have that smiley face J Balvin's logo right there on it, and then you can switch it out for the Jumpman logo. We got the lightning bolt as well, and then you also have the basketball that you can put on there. Now, another thing that a lot of people thought was different when first pictures came in was the outsole. And the outsole is very obvious in person, but maybe not so much over camera or anything, but the outsole is definitely a light, kind of vibrant pink, and is definitely not white, which a lot of people thought at first. And I actually think it really ties the shoe together well. I don't know if white would really fit kind of the theme and design of the shoe, but the shoe also comes with black laces originally on it, and then Nike definitely didn't leave you hanging with laces. If you're trying to switch, we got some Volt green ones, we got pink, and then white as well. Any of those ones to switch onto there. Personally, I think I kind of like the black or the pink. I don't know. Like I said, stock was crazy limited, so I'm gonna give you guys some resale predictions, what I think these are gonna do. Right now, most sizes are sitting between $5 and $6.50, I think, about most sizes. This is a size 11, but honestly, they really did tank in price. A lot of people thought that was gonna happen too. They were up around the $1,000 range before they dropped. All prices tanked, and I think kind of with the economy and the sneaker market right now, this shoe definitely will be going up in the future. I'm definitely gonna put mine up on the shelf, probably keeping it for personal, but if any case I wanted to sell in the future, these are a shoe that I would definitely sit on. We also saw this with the Travis Scott Jordan 1s, the highs right here. They weren't too high at first. When pairs started coming in, I think they were around like $900 to $1,000, and now you can see all sizes are going crazy, up over $1,800, and not even, it's been like a year since they came out. So this is another shoe that I think it's not a bad idea to sell right now. Profits are good, but I think it's another shoe that should reach back over $1,000. That's gonna do it for the video today. 2020 was a great year. First year doing YouTube with you guys. Thank you guys for all the support. 2021 is gonna go crazy. Gonna keep copping sick kicks for you guys. Gonna have tons of giveaways. So again, make sure if you haven't hit that subscribe button. Tamster's Kicks going to the moon. Thanks again. We'll see you guys later.